Hello everybody, it is Steve with SBL Games. Thanks for tuning in. On today's episode we are going to do an SD card connector replacement. The client provided the part. The part is now ready, so I've harvested off the provided donor board. So we basically just need to get the original connector off, get the new one on. I'm trying to make this one a short video without blabbing too much, so let's dig in. So we're going to need to obviously get it up to heat so I could pull it off. Alright, we got it off. So this video, by the way, goes out to Amy and her son. I really hope your son becomes a technician. He shows a lot of promise, especially for as young as he is and what he accomplished without doing any damage. It's good stuff. Alright, so we just got to get this solder cleared off so we can put some fresh solder on and get the replacement connector on. For the angles, man. If you guys can't tell, this is really difficult. Really difficult, man. Oh, sorry. But yeah, I'm not going to be able to fix stuff forever. You know, my time will come. So, it's good to see a ray of light for the new generation. I have kids, I tried to get them involved, and they definitely want me to fix their units, but as far as them learning how to do it, they just show zero interest, so that's not gonna happen. Alright, looks like we got it all cleared up. Let's put some fresh solder on and get this job done. Should be good. Alright, hopefully we get to see some surface tension kick in here. Let's see what we got. See what we got. There we go. Beautiful. So that is the finished product. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to smash that like button, drop a comment, and if you like what you see, be sure to subscribe, because unfortunately the client did not provide me the unit, they just provided the board and the donor board. So that's it. Thanks for viewing.